everyone, and welcome to another tips and tricks videos from Switch. My name is Kent, and in this particular video, we're going to talk about how you can use a very cool feature to get you to understand more on the words in the website or even in your mail. We are talking about define in iOS. It's very easy. Let's get started. Okay, so everybody, what you're seeing on the screen is, in my hands, is an iPhone 6 Plus. Now, how do we define a word in a dictionary? It's actually quite simple. Now, there's a few ways, but this is what you could use. Let's say you have a word inside Safari that you don't understand. Perhaps there's something here that you don't know. Okay, so if you tap and highlight the word, so in this case, acceptance, notice that I have an option here called define. If I tap the word define, it'll bring up the dictionary. So if there's a definition, it will list it for you. If there isn't, you can actually search the web. You can even manage and select what kind of dictionary that you want to add. So let's say you want to add more dictionaries, you can actually tap and download it into your iOS device. Because it's not only just limited to English, it could be other languages. So right now I'm going to install a few: American English, British English, Apple Dictionary, and so on and so forth. You can see that we have options like simplified Chinese to English. Okay, there's a lot over here that will be very, very useful. Now, let me go back again. Let me tap on done. Let's try finding another word. Let's use the word empty, define. Notice now I have more options. New Oxford American Dictionary because I installed it from the Manage. Oxford Dictionary of English. Chinese, that means it translates the English into Chinese. You can even tap on search web and you take the word and search via Google. So define makes it extremely powerful and easy to learn thanks to the built-in dictionary in iOS. But it's not limited in Safari. Let's try going to another application. I'm going to go into Mail. So I'm going to use this draft message as an example. So if I tap the word, in this case the text, I select it, and I want to define it. Notice that the define doesn't appear here. So I'm going to tap on the arrow on the right. Oops. Okay. I'm going to tap the arrow on the right. And you notice that there's an option called define. So when I tap on define, same thing. It brings up the same definition. I can still use the same management panel to install the dictionaries I want. And I can even search the web using that text. All in all, a very useful feature, defining the words on iOS, thanks to the built-in dictionary. So we hope that this video is helpful. So please support us on social media, like us, follow us, and subscribe on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and so much more. Give us your comments and suggestions. So we hope that you like this video. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, this is Kent saying goodbye.